Welcome to the self-paced course on how to use Thrively. Many of you have started and have done the strength assessments for your students, while others of you are just getting started. And some of you are starting to dig into lessons and playlists. This course will help you in whatever stage that you're at, help you move to the next level. So notice this will exist in your projects. What you need to do is log in, and everybody has a DCSD Sandbox account. So you're going to log into that, and then you'll go to projects, and you will notice that you have a Thrively PD Know Me project. So you go ahead and click on that, and it will sign you in as a learner, not as a teacher. So you won't see this edit feature here, but we will go ahead and put you into teams. Hopefully we'll be able to let you work in teams with grade levels. But one of the things you want to do is kind of move through the green tabs. As you'll notice, the Know Me tab has a Beginning Your Journey with Thrively for those of you who are just beginning. Some of you will learn a little bit about the strength assessments and getting started. Then we can move on to resources. We have the Wellbeing Index, which has been a highlight of our 21-22 launch. So please check that out with the video. You'll notice that what it'll ask you to do after you take in the video is a task. So when will you have students complete the Wellbeing Index, and what will you commit to doing with the data you will receive? This task, you will answer those questions here in the Post Your Ideas, and this will allow for your teammates to also see your thoughts and ideas, any challenges or suggestions you may have. So those of you who are moving a little bit further along, this will help those of you who are just getting started. And certainly if you have any other questions or anything else you want to post, you can do so. We'll be talking a little bit about how to use the Insights feature over here to look at our class snapshots and our strengths and interest breakdowns, how to engage with the journals and feedback, and then of course adding students. We've got discover your strengths and the strengths of your students, and we've got some posters that you can hang around the room. In the Explore tab, we'll ask you to find a lesson and choose one of the SEL playlists, and certainly add some of the lessons that you think are really great to the collaboration feed. You'll also learn how to create your own playlist. Some of you have done this with me individually, and we'll do some goal setting. Lastly, please everybody take a moment. You may not do this during this PD, but on your own, create a user guide for yourself. There's a presentation here for you. You can also do this on paper, but certainly upload a picture or a copy of the user guide that you've created to share with each other, but also a great exercise for you to do with your students. And as always, I'm here to help you individually. There will be further projects coming out to help you really dive into some of the other features we didn't talk about, like goal setting, maybe some projects. As you're using the project tool, I'm hoping that gives you a little bit more clarity on how to use it. Sparks is a great feature, and pathways. So take a moment to explore some of these things, and then of course anything else that you have to add in here, you'll be able to do that in the Explore stage. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I hope you enjoy this PD.